My name is Sandra and I am very happy today to be showing you how you can create our recycled bottle art. So if you would like to join in today, either by yourself or as part of a group, so if you're at school or at home, maybe a few of you can get together and create one of these. You're going to need a list of equipment like this. First, I'm going to show you how to cut out an easy flower. You're going to need a responsible person to help you use a knife to cut this first. And if you can by yourself, great, and maybe you can help some of the younger children involved in your group. So we get our knife and you want to cut all the way around. And take that off. Now, I've created a drawing to help you. You need to do 6 cuts, similar to a clock. Okay, so these are the cutting lines. You place that on there and then you can mark it and then cut. So let's just do that. So I'm using these. Put my bottle on there. And then we cut. Fold that. And then cut again round. Then place it down and colour. That will be shiny. There is your colour. So this one drawn all the way around and I've coloured in there on the back. Just going to give you a few examples of how you can colour differently. So that is black posca-pen. Coloured it in. I've dried it using the hairdryer, and then on there I'm going to use some stickers, some spots. So if I hold that, put that blue one on. Like rainbow colour stickers. So like that. So you can use both sides, but place it down and colour on the back. The back, the front, the back. Place it down. Here's one flower. I've used Posca pens on this one. So how? Get my pen and I draw all the way around first, and then try and show you like this. Okay. Easier to draw. And then you add your colour, but first I'm going to dry that. And that dries very quickly. Also on here you can use acrylic paint. So I've got some colours here, like this. I'm going to use this. Use the dark blue first, similar to this one. That one, Posca pen. So I use this on here, which is fine. You can use paint, so I just do that. If you can try and get the light out. Using a middle blue, just mixing. Maybe go back to that one. Then some white. Like that. So when you're working, you can place it down. That is a good gripper, keeps it still. Also, you could make one of these. So this, take that off, cut from a bottle, cut, and then a circle goes inside. That makes it a bit stronger. And what you can, I'm just going to show you using this one. You can like that, down, or like that. And you can and then you can use that. So pens and paint will work on the back of the bottle, and then you create your ideas on here. So this one, let's have a look at this one. Similar to the flower. Or circles like this one. Again, I draw first using black, and then I dry, then I go in with the colour. So you can do this with paint as well. Now, this I've made myself, but you can use a canvas like this, and then you get your knife and you cut. So we're going to put that there. Cut. Oh, a little bit more. Careful. Again, you're going to need a person to help you that's responsible. There, so, and then you can keep adding more. Let's see if you will stay there. So, this one I've made myself with a frame, just an old frame that's wooden, and I've stretched around some material. You could use an old sheet from the bed or some old clothes that you can stretch around. So like this. And I've stretched it and stapled it all the way along. Also, you can use a netting frame. When we make big ones, we use this. Over. There. A netting, and they pop in and out very easily. So, just want to show you one more thing. So, that's the flower cutting line. This one is, oh, excuse me. So that's butterfly cutting line. So if I just show you this. You can freeze the video and copy it. Makes it easier for when you're cutting out your butterfly or your flower. So then we pop them back in like that. There you go. This is one of my favourite projects, my favourite activities to make here. So if you do create one of these, I really hope you share with us your ideas. You can make lots of them, or you could just have a few. Doesn't matter how. Add colour, create your own imagination, patterns, and show and share your work with us. I'd absolutely love to see some of these. We have a Facebook page and we have an Instagram page. So I hope you've enjoyed this today, and I'll look forward to seeing your work. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye.